YouTube, back in with another tool haul from Cornwell. This time I got the 3/8 mid Milwaukee mid torque impact. I opted for the 3/8 version because I have the stubby 3/8 M12, so I decided to go with the mid since the M12 version hits the 250. This one hits about 600. That's what they say. I don't know if that's true or not. I also got some of these mirrors here. Small one and a big mirror here because I broke my snap-on mirror. So I could just take this one off, put on this one, because this one here is removable, but the one I bought isn't, so I could just unscrew it from there. That worked. And then my snap-on kit, this little snap-on kit, it's like flatheads, picks, screwdrivers. I don't know, there's a part number in here. Oh, right here. There's a part number right there. Oh wait, I'm not in frame. Right there. The mirror got def in it, so it's all white. You can see that. It all has white spots. So I got the small one to pop that one off and put on this one here. So the big thing is this new impact, the mid torque. That's pretty cool. I already have the stubby, like I said, and then I had the big 1/2" high torque, the bad motherfucker one, and then I also have the ratchet, 3/8 ratchet. I also have other drill drivers and bit drivers and stuff like that, but I'm really happy on getting this one. We'll see. I'll do a full review on this, see how it is working with it. If you guys don't know, when you buy a new Milwaukee tool, where's the paperwork? They give you a chance to win some more Milwaukee stuff. You just put that on the website. Either we wear a shirt or more kits and stuff. So, also one other thing that I forgot to mention that I got from Cornwell that was actually pretty cool was these automotive specialty tools. They are more torque socket set. So it's like an extractor kind of torques. You have it has its own sizes, which is kind of weird. It's an M0 to M4, but they're a little different than regular hex. So they were only 30 bucks, and there, if you could see, is a part number. If you can see that part number, I think it's A8140. And yeah, they were only 30 bucks on the truck, so I decided to get them. And that's it. Catch you guys in the next one.